got a studio audience, you guys. I see you guys back there. I'm going to take a picture of you so everybody can see. Look at you guys. Look at these guys standing back there. Look at Jose. He just said he's all fat. Dude, you do look fat. Oh my god. Hey, dude, I'm fat too. That's okay. I got 3 chins.
I am too, dude.
No, you're losing weight.
I got 4 chins, man. I beat you.
Oh man, dude, that sucks. I've been like eating like crazy lately. Manny's the only one that's thin.
I have 2. Because he's the only one who does work here.
Yeah, Manny's the only one that works. We gotta sit down.
Guys, these guys have been doing our electric, which is gonna be so nice to finally have electric. Man, I feel like this is a tall stack. It'd be nice to have electric in here. We've got the place in January. It's December, so whoever says we're slow, not true.
Yes, you guys, today we're going to talk a little bit about Craftsman. You don't see a lot of Craftsman here on the channel, but this got sent out to us, and you know, we've been seeing a lot at Lowe's. You can check it out. Lowe's is really dominated by Craftsman now.
Yes.
So they sent this out, so you're going to be able to go to the beach, fix your car, and put some stuff in the bag.
So basically, it's someone who owns a Ford who likes going to the beach, who's
yeah, exactly, because Ford's always in the shop. No, we're kidding, you guys. We actually have Fords. But no, you actually do have a lot of problems with your Ford. A lot of people are starting to. It's weird. So you guys, the gist of this system is it's that VersaStack, right?
VersaStack.
So it's kind of like the T-Stack system of past, but it's Craftsman's version, right? So what does it allow us to do, Eric?
You can see we can stack things on top in different configurations. It locks into place. It's easy to take off. But you can they've got a lot of different options that you can put on it. It's just nice if you're moving a lot of tools at one time so your hands aren't like, you're not trying to carry everything, open the doors and do all that. You can wheel it around.
They're like a little bit like T-Stacks, you guys. Maybe a little cheaper quality. But this box set on top is only $99. So you're getting 216 pieces of tools that are guaranteed forever, but don't expect anything major with the box, right? It's more of a, let's just say the container that it comes with is just, you know, okay, but it has some cool functionality.
Yeah,
that's the way I look at it, right? Because chances are, I mean, these things are gonna bust, you're gonna break it, any drop, and I mean, I don't know, it just seems brittle.
Yeah, like Dan said, the case I'm not too excited about. It does have, so if you do drop it, the drawers should be kind of staying in place, but they're a little bit tougher to open. This is something I would actually get and put in my own toolbox or something. You know?
Right. So, I mean, but it's still pretty cool. You carry it in the trunk of your car, whatever, and you're able to stack on top. I don't know why you would have a toolbox on a cooler, you know, unless you're working on a hot job site and you're filling it with a pop. Because I wouldn't be using any other, you know, alcohol or anything. But.
No, but that's a good idea too on that, you know. Yeah. But they do offer other boxes in this. It's not like, hey, you can only get the cooler with the wheels. You can get an actual box with the wheels too. So.
Okay, cool. And then on the back here, you push this button, pulls up a handle. The handle is like a little bit of aluminum. It feels like, you know. And I mean, like I said, it's not. You're not gonna be putting tons of weight on this. It's more of the DIY, maybe the advanced DIYer that's into this stuff. And what can you do with that little bag, Eric?
Carry stuff.
What?
Yeah, I know, it's amazing. It's amazing.
Actually, the
bag's actually nice. I like the bag. It's got 31 pockets. It's got a shoulder strap. It's got the waterproof base there. That is part of this system too. But I don't know. I don't know why. I've always liked just the nylon bags because I usually a lot of times I don't even use them for tools. I use them for other things. You know.
Yeah, I like cases better. Because you can stack them, you know?
I do when you got like tools, like for like, you know, a laser or something like that. I like boxes, you know?
Yeah. This thing's just weird to me. I'm not going to lie, you guys. I mean, granted, if you're looking at just the toolkit for a 216 piece for $99, you're still doing pretty good. But the case is weird. Like, here's all these open areas, and it just...
Yeah, like, I don't know what that is. It's almost like... there's just no top, but even though I don't know, it's weird. It's got
it's all like there's so much space that they could have added to this. I don't get it. But either or, you know, like I said, we're happy to have it in this. If it was just like you're either buying a 216 kit in a box made of cardboard or this and it's the same price, yes, we'd rather have that. We're not complaining. But we're saying if this is considered a premium, you know, I don't know exactly how long it's going to last you, especially in cold environment. Once that plastic hardens up.
Yep.
You know. What about the cooler, Eric?
I like the cooler. The cooler is 99 bucks.
Yeah, it is a cool cooler, actually.
Yeah.
But even these are all plastic. There's no metal.
Yeah. That's the one thing I'd like to see.
Yeah, and again, you guys, when we say plastic, it's more of an advanced ABS polymer. I mean, the days of plastic are over. So I'm sure all tools are made out of this stuff, right? Mm-hmm. So it actually feels a lot better now that I'm feeling it. Yeah.
No, I like the actual cooler. And the cooler's cool because someone like me, like I use We do a lot of different sports. In the summertime, we're doing baseball, so we'll have bags, we'll have other stuff like that. This is on wheels. We can just pull this along. It's nice to throw the bag on top. So this is going to be perfect for what I need it for. So I like that.
Yeah,
you know,
it's cool, man. It's cool. So you guys, it's up to you. What do you guys think? Comment below. Let us know what you guys. How are you guys liking the new Craftsman? Is it doing good?
Exactly.
Is it, you know? Because I mean, obviously you can get it at Lowe's, but you can also get Cobalt, which I thought Cobalt was a pretty good brand. You know, I mean, you compare that with Husky, stuff like that. I mean, all these brands are really starting to try to add that value and that quality to you, right? Craftsman, everybody knows the Craftsman name, but is Craftsman also bringing you that value and that quality that you expect from the brand?
Very good point. Something to think about.
Yes.
I like that, you know?
That's what we need you guys to do is think. Think hard. What do you guys think? Comment below, you guys. Let us know what you guys think. Also, let us know what videos you guys want to see at the bottom. Peace out. We'll see you on Instagram or TikTok.
Or what do you say, Twitter?
MySpace. Or Twitter.
MySpace.
Twitter.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.